Picked this up at Goodwill for about a couple bucks. It's gray and it has this little strange feature, like a spin around deal. I don't know. I'm planning to pull that out. As far as this locker goes, it's pretty nice. It's gray. Will go well with my other lockers. Make a nice little scene, or a nice little prop for my locker room. This feature is really weird. I don't get it, but hopefully it'll be pulled out. I'll probably seal something on the top. I like it. I thought it was pretty cool. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.